shopping video. I was speaking about shit people and shit fell down. S size doesn't exist in men's section or what.
Okay.
This is just distracting me from my goal. Mandatory thing. I'm really guilty.
Yeah.
Sorry. There is a twist. What is the twist?
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today is another shopping video, shopping vlog. First I have to go to college. Then later I'm going to Zudio because Narasimha has to buy some clothes, it seems, some outfits. So we are going there. Then later we are going to D-Mart for buying some books and some, when we go to D-Mart, we won't buy any one book and one thing and come back. So yeah, let's see what all we bring. Let's start. I'll show you my outfit of the day. Let's go.
A few moments later.
We reached the Forum Mall. Yeah, we reached. Let's see. I think it's just the mall has just opened. We'll see if the Zudio is open. Otherwise, we should just roam here.
Yeah, there are people.
Oh, there are people. Thank God. Yeah, let's go. To his shopping. Look at this outfit. Oh my God, I would wear this and go. And he's like, no. I mean, he's yes, but budget is no.
One small problem.
Small bro. Wow, I would wear this and roam. So good. Look at that. Wait, come here. This is a mandatory thing. We come to Zudio, we are taking picture here. Try this, please. It looks good.
Yeah.
There is a twist. What is the twist?
We are buying clothes for her as a gift for her birthday.
I had my doubts. He's like, buy this. Not the mannequin, but this top. This top. Which is like this.
People crying in the corner after.
Sorry, but it actually looks good though. But my stomach will pop up from there. Look at that. Her stomach is flat, not mine. This looks great. How is this?
Yeah, it's okay.
I can wear it sleeveless also. I can wear with my black high neck also.
Yeah. Turtleneck.
Turtleneck. Should I hold this and try?
Yeah.
Next.
What did you do?
I dropped. I was speaking about shit people and shit fell down.
Yep.
We know who we are talking about.
Hashtag if you know, you know.
Oh my God.
Nice.
I don't care.
Yep.
I'm done. See, this is pretty.
Yeah.
It's pretty. But this is also pretty.
Yeah.
But I think I want to buy these pretty, not these pretty.
Okay.
This is just distracting me from my goal.
Nice. Drop it again. What do you have to say?
I'm not guilty. This is how I am.
Okay. Nice. You stepped on it.
Sorry, Zudio.
Bro stepped on my gift. What do you have to say for that?
I'm really guilty.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Nice.
Came to the men's section. I want to buy this.
Yep.
Like
Which section are you buying from?
Men's section.
Nice.
Like the S size doesn't exist in men's section or what? Why there is no S size? There is only M.
No.
Why?
Men are usually too big for S. Unlike someone as short as you.
I'm not short.
You are short.
Should I buy this also? This is also on sale, no?
Right.
Try it. Well, how much is that? Kitna tu hai? How much is the total thing? 1,000.
Yeah.
But the 1,000, no? Both also will come.
How much is that?
This
Oh yeah, actually no. Try it and see. What is that face?
I don't know. I'll try both.
Okay.
Like I'll wear this. I'll put this on this. I can't even explain. I'll put this on this.
Watch her drop it.
You. What is this?
I gave it to you. You dropped it.
What is
I
this?
gave it to you. You dropped it.
What is this? What did you do?
I don't know. I was holding it. The way you gave it. Let's watch her fix it. Never mind.
Like this something.
Yeah.
Oh, it will look good. Let's go try.
Yeah.
I came back with these two clothes. Let's see how it will look. I'm wearing this on my sleeve, so don't mind me, but it looks pretty. I'll wear the jacket on this and let's see. I bought that to see if it will go well with this, or I want that jacket otherwise also, so let's see. This jacket is okay, good, but I can't pair this with this, but it's okay because I have a high neck what's that, turtleneck top which I can wear inside this, so it's okay. But this is a good thing. This is M size. I think I should buy L because it's like too fit, not too fit, but bigger size is better, right? So yeah, nice. The L size. I wore it outside. Yeah. Peace out. So
And
one is
my
this.
kit.
with the bag, with everything. Huh? So one, so one is this, and the one is this. This cute thing also for no reason, but yay! Thank you for the gift. I was like, why are you looking too? It was the mirror image.
Nice.
It literally shocked me. I'm like, okay.
Brain is functioning.
Our today's shopping is done. Now next stop is DMart. The other 3 hours will be spending there. So true.
2,000 years later.
One thing we must do is eat. So we came to eat.
One pair of pants later.
We finally came back after shopping. Look at this bag. Finally we are done shopping and I got the food. I parceled it because it was too hot outside there. So yeah, I'll eat. I'll fill my stomach because I'm really hungry. So yeah, bye guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.